All right, it's Wednesday, February 19th. Oil inventory news just came out. You can see my charts. I expanded it because there's a lot of volatility, so we really want to lock in any possible trade off of these levels. Right now, we just broke a low value area, so we're going to look for a short. Watch for this thing to retrace back to 33.30, and hopefully we can have a nice continuation down. And then below that, not a whole lot of support. We could see some pretty big movement to the downside once that happens. So just look for a Fibonacci dot retracement. Look for that order flow to drop down, and then we'll short it. So we're almost in that spot right now, actually. So you can see the areas that broke. All right, and let's just go ahead and I'll put in one contract right there. Just want to see, this thing might go ahead and start moving down. And if I start seeing the order flow bar kind of come in, I'll go ahead and preempt and put a second. There we go. That's pretty big order. There you go. So we get that second in there. All right, and let's see this thing push down. Separate my problem is right now it's, I give it some space. All right, so let's see. Alright, all kinds of stuff going on right now. Alright, come on, let's break this level, 3308. Let's break that 3308, and then look out below, because there just is not a whole lot of support below here, and this is just gonna move. So I'm just gonna move these out of the way, maybe down to even to the 32 as my last runner. And let's just see this thing go. And there's just two contracts now. Alright, just keep that in mind, just two contracts, but it's pretty volatile. So at this point, what I want to do, alright, give it some room. Yep, there she goes. And all these retracements causing bigger legs down, so let's go ahead and scale out a little bit, maybe here at the 32.74. Let's go ahead and scale out at the 32.74. Just seeing kind of that bottom of that bounce right there. You'll probably see some kind of reaction, maybe not. Seems to be bouncing off that 32.80 right now. This is moving very, very fast. So let's see. All right, 77, 24. Come on, 74. Come on. Move it up a tick. Why not? Want to play games? Let's knock it out, guys. Two contracts, $820, $60 so far. This thing's really pushing down. What I don't want to do is this thing to retrace up too much. There it goes. Well, if this is gonna be a second continuation, it's probably gonna hit that 74 at this point. Ooh, look at that. Okay, move you up just a little bit. Seems to be some support, like I said. Pull out real here on this chart. Look at that. Look at that bounce. Right off that 77. Ouch. Should just got out right there. Alright, so we'll see. One more line in the sand. Should not go above that. It'd be a shame to just miss out on all those ticks if it doesn't move down further from here. Seems like it found some support though. Now there's a lot of stuff going on, guys. Let me go ahead and pause the video. I really need to focus on this. Here we go, another push down. Let's see if I can get out. 78. Moving so much. Alright, so we are finding some support here. That's key. There is a reason why. Bring it down to 1 minute maybe. Alright. Come on. This is going to be the hardest thing to do, but on the 5 sim we're seeing this thing do a Fibonacci right there, so we could see it push down as we see order flow changing. Alright, on a bigger time frame, when you got to move like this and there's a lot of room for movement, you know, you got to kind of look at the larger time frame as well, because that might be you know, on a short time frame you're going to see it fluctuate, obviously, because the volatility going on, but on a longer time frame that might be right there. For me, the line in the sand at 33.06. So should have just scaled out as I had when I had the chance. Man, everything moves quick and it's hard to comment, narrate, and trade at the same time, so that's all my fault really, but it is what it is. But I'm expecting this thing to come down even lower. Let me go ahead and pause the video again, and I'll be right back.